No, girl, you have to keep a gum in your bag because you don't know where you have to do the do. You get it?
For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bambi here again, and if this is your first time seeing me, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you're an old subscriber of mine, hello, welcome. You know how we do it. So you can see I have my baby here. The response on the other post of me unboxing this bag was massive, so I'm here to show you guys what I have in my bag. The Louis Vuitton Alma BB edition. I know this bag is quite small, but it will surprise you the things I'll pull out of this bag. So if you want to see that, stay tuned and don't click off. So this is the Louis Vuitton Alma BB edition in this color. And I really love this bag. This is my first designer bag, so it's my baby. I treat it with so much care and I just don't let it go. I take it wherever that I feel like taking it to, and it has been holding on pretty well. The handle of the bag, I normally use this strap so I don't put stress on the handles of the bag, but this bag is a really nice bag. You can see I've used it for quite some time now and it's still in good shape. The best thing I do with this bag, because it's my first designer bag, I put it right into the dust bag after using it. I just don't put it anywhere as I treat my other bags. I treat this one with extra care because if your girl get broke, I'm gonna sell it. So let me show you guys what I have in this bag. You can see it's packed. Yeah, I normally pack it like this because I'm that girl who has to take everything from her home outside because I feel I am not ready to use anything from the outside. Let me open the bag up. But before that, let's take time to acknowledge this makeup. I really like it. I hope you do too. I'm looking like a bohemian goddess and all. Okay, so you can see how stuffed this bag is right now, but it's a good stuffing. So let me take the things out one after the other and then we'll go through it. I have my phone. I always put my phone in my bag because you can't risk it. Someone can just snatch your phone in a minute, so I keep it in my bag. And I also have my Zippy purse, and this is how it is. I don't think I have to show you guys because information, I'm scared I'll show my information, but I literally put in my change and then my cards, which is pretty convenient. So I have my Zippy purse. I also have these ones in my bag because why not? I keep this. It's like a wet napkin. I use it out because I don't want to be touching my bag with my dirty hands. So I keep these in my bag, at least 2 or 3. Let's dig deep. Let's dig deep. A pack of gum. And my personal favorite is the Trident in the cinnamon flavor. I really love this gum. You can't go around kissy with food breath. Like, no, girl, you have to keep a gum in your bag because you don't know where you have to do the do. You get it? Aha. So you can't be giving people bad breath of the fish and then the chicken you ate at the restaurant, or like all that stuck saliva on your tongue. So I love to keep a gum in my bag. Why not? A lip gloss. I keep this lip gloss in my bag because there is always this favorite makeup item you can't do without, and mine is a lip gloss. If I am having a bad hair day, a bad makeup day, a bad look day, I don't really mind. I don't do dry lips. I don't do cracked lips. I always have to have a lip gloss, and I always feel like if you have like a base tone of lipstick and you eat and you have to like touch it up, lip gloss is going to do it for you. let me push that bag back in, because we'll come to that later. Let's do it one thing at a time. Sunglasses. I don't know why I have sunglasses in my bag, but I'm in Ghana. It's quite sunny most of the time, so before I take it out, you know I'm a perfume girl. I love good scents. If you don't smell good, you're going to have issues with me, because I really love good scents. And there is this thing about me. I try to get mini sizes of perfumes I love and adore, and I freshen up most of the time when I go out for a very long time. You get it? Yeah, if you don't get it, forget about it. So this next item, I really love to keep it in my bag, and it's a bottle of perfume. Ask me why I love this. You can see most of my perfumes are yellowish, brownish, because I really love warm tones. If the perfume is not warm, that is not me. Next thing I have in my bag, I think I'm basically done with a small, oh no, there is something else. Another bottle. Another bottle of perfume. You see these tester sizes. This is the Dior, Miss Dior, and almost done. Ooh, that smells really nice. So there is this thing I keep in my bag, and I feel like every lady has to have like that particular thing in her bag no matter what. It's an emergency kit. That's how I call it. I don't know how you will call it, but I call it an emergency kit because it has everything. You know, let me show you guys. Let me stop talking and then show you guys what I'm talking about. It's some, and my own is from BH Cosmetics, because I bought makeup brushes and then I got this one. I have a bigger one for my bigger bags, but this thing is my emergency kit because it has everything. When you have to like pop into the bathroom and then change really quick, the time of the month will be this date, and then it will skip you like something. So I have this bag within this bag, so a bag in a bag, and it has everything I need. At the dining table, I just slide it and then whoop, off to the washroom. These are the things I have inside. This is a tissue pack. I have this for touching up my makeup. Some carry powders along. I don't. I just blend what I have on my face on. I have this, like the hotel bottle shampoo and stuff, the cream. So I have this just in case I have to wash my hand and I have to use something that really smells nice. I use that. I have a feminine wipe. Every lady needs this, a tampon. And it's all in this mini bag. A toothpaste, the travel. I keep this in my purse for some reason I don't really understand. If like you have to spend the night somewhere and you have to really freshen up. I have allergies when it comes to some toothpaste, so I keep this in my bag. It never fails. I also have a sanitary pad and then a panty liner, because at times you think you need a sanitary pad but you don't really need it. You just need a panty liner. You'll be good. And I also have this thing. I don't know how it's called, attached to it. And I use this when I go out and you have flyaways. So when I enter into the washroom, believe me, I'm going to spend maximum of 2 minutes, a minimum of 1 minute when the washroom is quite dirty. But I make sure I freshen up to the T before I get out of the washroom. But there is this particular thing in my bag. I feel you need it. You might think, oh, I don't need it, but you do need it. And it's a plastic freezer bag. This thing is a lifesaver. You can drop your chicken from the restaurant that you didn't finish eating. You can drop your leftovers, anything you want to bring home, because I feel like when we go to the restaurants we are quite shy to finish our plate. So if there is chicken that you have to bring home, you can do that. I can't even look at you guys for saying this. It happens to me when you use like a lip gloss and I start spilling. I hate that thing. It makes the bag so messy. So I have this just in case I want to drop my spilled lip gloss, anything that I feel is going to make my bag messy. I keep this. I have this one. I'm almost through with the bottle, but this is what I basically use. And yeah, I'm a germaphobe, so when I go out I try to use a sanitizer as much as I can. Ooh, I told you I have 3 napkins, so this is the third one, and the bag is empty. I pulled all that from this cute Alma BB Louis Vuitton bag. Oh my god. But it carries a lot if only you're ready to carry everything in it. The only problem is you're going to have it a bit bulky, but you just have to tone the things down. I don't think I use sunglasses all the time, so I can drop it in the house and make it a bit free. But it's quite a spacious bag. It has good leather and it goes with everything. So this is what I have in my bag. And thank you guys so much for watching. I had fun showing you guys all that I have in this cute little bag, and I hope you also enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, like and share the video. Promote your girl here on YouTube. If you like the video, YouTube is going to like promote me out there. So give the video a thumbs up. See you in another video. Bye.